Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try out the invisible makeup look जिसे मैंने एक रील या फिर आप कह सकते हो एक शॉर्ट वीडियो में देखा था. So let's try this out. Is it really worked or not? Okay, so for the first routine you have to do your skincare. So I am going to use the Tonymoly toner here to prep my skin basically. So my skin is ready for it, and now I'm going to use a serum here. So for that I'm going to use the ordinary niacinamide 10% here, and it is really a good serum. I really love that. It clears out your blemishes and everything, and I really love to use underneath my makeup as well. So yeah, for the next step I am going to use the Cetaphil moisturizer, and you have to moisturize your skin really good. अगर आपको एक flawless base चाहिए, एक flawless makeup चाहिए, then you have to moisturize your face. Okay, so yeah, and because it is invisible makeup, so मैं आज वैसे तो ज़्यादा मेकअप यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. जस्ट आई एम यूजिंग द LA Pro Girl concealer, just a little bit, just a dot, tiny dot, and मैं इसको अपनी skin में blend कर लूँगी because I have a little dark circle. That's why I'm using underneath my eyes, and basically मेरे जो dark spots है उसको मैं रहने दूँगी. जो मेरे गालों पे dark spots है मैं उसको रहने दूँगी. I'm not using any heavy kind of a makeup. This is a invisible makeup, so this is how to look good without makeup कह सकते हो आप. So yeah, next up I am going to use a cream blush here. This is basically a stick blush, but yeah, you need a liquid or a cream blush. So I am using this stick blush, and this is really sheer kind of a blush, not as really pigmented, but as you can see that it gives me a really cute blush effect. Then ये थोड़ा सा अजीब है. I'm going to use the sunscreen over the top. So yeah, I have no idea. मैंने ऐसा मेकअप रूटीन कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है, बट उसमें लिखा था you need to try a really glowy sunscreen over the top. So yeah, next up I'm going to exfoliate my lips to look pink थोड़ा सा. So I am using a cotton cloth here and scrub my lips with it, so my lips looks थोड़ा सा pink. Then over the top मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ एक transparent gloss. So I'm not using any tinted gloss or any lipstick, just a simple transparent gloss, as you can see that. So yeah, that's it for this makeup look. Let me know is this a good makeup or not. Basically this makeup is good. Invisible makeup, if you don't like makeup then it's really good. So yeah, thanks for watching.